High five. Oh, Fivers, how you doing? This one's got to be quick because we're leaving in like 20 minutes for a Seattle Mariners game. But the Robo R2, it's alive. They did recently talk about a removable, flexible build plate, which would just be glorious because having to remove this thing just sucks. I mean, it's a good initial solution, but my build tack is torn. It's missing in places. I would, or my Robo tack, I guess. I don't even know what it's called. I would sure like something different. And I think a flexible build plate would be good. This model was a lot of fun. And drilling the hole in the back, I'm not gonna lie, that was more fun than it should have been. I think that you should also be aware of 3D Guy Dubai. He goes by 3D Printing Geek, I believe it is. So how the story goes, Tom Sandladerer, my boy, he found a channel that called itself 3D Printing Nerd. And it was Tariq. And I messaged him. And I said, hey, you know what? I have the trademark on 3D Printing Nerd. It's kind of my thing. You don't want to do that. You can use Geek, 3D Printing Geek. So he is 3D Printing Geek. And he makes awesome, awesome models. The guy's talented like crazy. And man, go follow him on Instagram. Go follow him on the Twitters. Go follow him on YouTube. He's good. He's good people. I certainly had $1 worth of fun with this model. I hope you do as well. Well, we got to go to the Mariners game. Thanks for your support, and I hope this was a lot of fun for you. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Forgot what my remote is.